Wagwan YouTube, what's up? The Dave Show here, and today I am going to do a completely different video. I am going to solve the Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube's been around about 30 years, using algorithms to solve it. It's basically maths, and I'm about to solve it under a minute, hopefully. Or a bit more then. So let's shuffle it. Right then, that looks shuffled enough. Do you guys think? Anyway, so I'm going to use my iPod to stopwatch it. Basically, as soon as I let go of the screen, it starts recording, and it stops it as soon as I touch the screen again. So, let's have a look, and I think I can get started. Right then, 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, 59 seconds, bang on, under a minute. I solved the Rubik's Cube. Yeah. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you some other time then.